Now you can make any app by just prompting like that. I will show you how I can make an app by just single a prompt. I will show you now. You can see that I just gave a prompt like that. Create an MVP web app, and it analyzes all the things and make code like this. And I will show you all the codes that it made like this. You can see it's a code. This all you can see that it's this all are code, and now it made like that. You can customize it like by yourself, and my I made by this. I give this name time to style. It's my own startup. You can also make that by Creata. It's an AI tool, and it's a brilliant feature. By using this, I think it's a brilliant.